Okay, what we have here is an Aspire One laptop. It's a model D257-1345. It's got a cracked screen on it, and we are going to replace it with one that I purchased from laptopscreen.com. Never actually done this before. Here's the replacement screen. And we'll see how easy it is. First thing we're going to do is remove the covers off the screws that hold the bevel down. Got a little tray over here to hold my stuff. Using a X-Acto knife for the point. Collection of screwdrivers over there to find the right one. So far so good. Supposedly these plastic screen covers, they can be kind of difficult to pull off without snapping, so what I read was start in one corner and use your fingers to pry. Wait for it to pop. It's always the fun part. How hard do you push without breaking it? It's really on there. Well, there we go. Sounds like it. So it looks like the key is to shove your finger way in there. Don't be afraid. Your screen's already broken anyways. So once you get your finger in there, you can hear it popping. Right? Hear it? Slide your finger down. Have her pop as you go. So far so good. Again, I've never done this before, so if I can do it, I guess you can do it. Let's see. Just trying to be careful here. This bevel is unbelievably cheap, as you would expect from a netbook. Trying to There we go. Okay. There it is. Set it over here out of the way. Okay. What's next? Gotta take off screws here in the front. Yeah. That sound you heard was me shooting one across the floor. Careful, don't do that. I'll be crawling around on the floor soon trying to find that one. Okay. So connected to the back of this one is the cable for the webcam. And so we're going to bend this up here. Gently remove it. Careful with this. Don't want to break it. Okay. Here's the old one. It's got a really nice crack in it. Okay, took a little pause there to find my screw. I would suggest you not lose them. They're not easy to find. So here we are once again. Going to attempt to plug this in. Good connection. It's really flimsy. Okay, remember the big takeaway is the biggest issue I found was that connection on the back of the LCD screen. When you're pushing it in at the bottom, you really got to make sure she gives a nice firm click into place. And if you get it done right, that's what it'll look like. Hope that was helpful. Again, www.laptopscreen.com. This is an Acer D257. Thanks.